Alright. So previously we was looking into one unit. So the distribution here. Not 300, 200. Standard deviation is 9, so I write it as 9 square. Okay. And we was looking into x greater than something 1 unit. Now in sampling distribution we're going to see if in sampling distribution we are going to see the mean weight of certain sample. Okay, 36 unit. If I choose 36 unit here, what is the probability the mean is greater than some number? So here the mean we're going to write it like x bar. Previously we write x. Now since we are considering the mean, we write the mean for sample. The notation is x bar. Okay, so we want to see what is the probability of a sample 36 unit having a mean of 203 grams or more, so greater or equal to. Previously we see 1 unit, now we are looking into the mean of certain number. Okay, the formula is almost the same. (203) minus the mean divide by, normally what you do, divide by square root of standard deviation, is that okay? Same thing, but here little bit different. This one not square root. Initially we just divide by the standard deviation. Now for sampling distribution we divide by standard deviation over square root of the sample 36. Okay, n is the sample size. N is the sample size. When we go for chapter 5, I explain more on this. Now, if you do this, you will get. Let me know what you get this one. Press this one in the calculator. For tomorrow and Thursday, I will confirm with you whether we have class or not. Okay. This week something is going on in the faculty. That's why I want to have it early. We're going to finish early today. I need to go for a meeting the whole day. And your test is next Wednesday. Chapter 1 hingga 3. Sepatutnya you dah check semua satu. Chapter 2 dah settled dah. Now we have to move on to chapter 3. Objective question 25. You and section BPA, tak tahu section mana. So you guys will combine. BPC and BPA will sit together. Alright, what do you guys get here? 2? Okay. So once you get 2 here, then you know what to do. You draw the bell shape, normal curve, 2 is here. You need this region. This is very easy because the table will give you immediately. This is the answer. Now take out a paper, A4 paper. Okay, write your name, metric number, section, date. Alright, this one done, done copy. Now we are going for exercise in class 1. Okay, this is the one you will submit to me. Copy this one. It is thought that the annual cost of transport to and from work for employees of a company is normally distributed with means. So this one you write x equal to what? The variable is cost of transport and the distribution x normally distributed, the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 10, so we write it in terms of, so we call this as, still reminding you, this is actually distribution. So here you have to understand what is your mean here. This is your mean, this is your standard deviation, and this is your sample size n. Okay, mean, standard deviation, sample size. Question is, find the probability the cost is less than, okay, the mean cost less than 98. When I choose 100, okay, I write here, n is 100. Don't get confused with this one and this one. This 100 different with this 100. This 100 is mean. This 100 is a number of what do you call, number of what? Employee. Okay. Bila saya pilih 100 orang ni daripada ni, apakah, what is the probability that the mean of the 100 orang tu less than 98? So what we do, use the formula 98 minus 100 divide by standard deviation over square root of sample size. Copy this one, let me know what you get. Did you get negative 2 here? So negative 2 is this way. Okay, so this one copied, huh? Dah salin ni ke semua? Ni? Dah? Okay. Now if you we need right hand side, so this is the area is equal. So just now we saw already. Here the 2 is, the answer is same with the previous one. That would be 0.0225. That is the answer. For B now, I give you some time, you guys try this same method. X bar greater than, the mean is greater than 103. Okay, do the same method, let me know what is the answer. Buat cara yang sama macam A ni, buat B. Cuba. is how you do, and then you proceed from here. If you do this here, what you get? You get 3, isn't it? Yeah. 3. If you look at the table, 3 here. One, 3, 5. Okay, any salin there? Yeah, salin. Okay. Now that is the one you're going to send to me. Now get back to your notes now. Okay, ini saja you gonna hantar saya. Nanti ya. Now we are moving to the next part. Yang ni kita perlu hantar central limit theorem. Now if you notice here, example 1 here. In the question, they have mentioned that a production line makes units which are normally distributed. Okay. Ada perkataan, when you see this word normally distributed, then kita boleh gunakan, we can use the Z, this table. Okay. And then you can see here also we have the word normally distributed, so we can still use the Z table, we can use the method. But if you notice here in this example, is there a word normally distributed? Tak ada. Now the question is, can we use the Z table or not? Okay, can we consider this as normal distribution? Now, according to central limit theorem, CLT we call this, when the sample size more than 32, dekat sini sample size berapa ni? The output of a glass panel has a mean thickness, this is your mean, and a standard deviation, this is your standard deviation. If a random sample is 100, this is your N. N ni lebih besar daripada 32 kan? Okay. When the N is more than 32, we can regard this as normal distribution walaupun dia tak bagi tahu dekat situ. Okay, now can we use Z table? Yes. Okay, by central limit theorem, the n is greater than 32, so we can use this table now. The same process. Example 2. What is X? Thickness of glass panel. X is normally distributed. What is the mean here? 4. What is the standard deviation? 1 square. The n is 100. What is the probability of the sample mean? Sample mean having thickness between 3.9 and 4.2. Copy this and try to get me the answer here. If you draw this, you need the region in between -1 and 2. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find the blue color region and minus from 1. Blue, and let me put in another color. Blue and the yellow color region. For the blue color region is easy. What is this one? 0.22, 0.02275. Okay, this one. For the yellow color region, if you switch to the positive side, this one become 1. This will become, where is it? Here. Zero. 0.1587. So what you do now, 1 minus minus this would be the answer. All right, next. Last one. Coming Friday, public holidays. An automatic machine fills jars of jam with a mean. This is your mean. This is your standard deviation. What is your n here? This is your n. Okay, so x is what? X is weight. X is a weight. Weight of the automatic machine fills jars with jars of jam. Weight of jam. What is the distribution? N 3408 square. What is the N? 64 greater than 30. We can use the CLT, central limit theorem. We can assume this is a normal distribution. Okay, use your table. Let me copy this one. Let me know what is the answer you get from the table. This is the answer. B. All right, C now. for number 1 here. This is something similar to the one we did earlier. You will get 0.8186. Alright, so that's it. That's all for today. For tomorrow and Thursday, I will update. Chapter 1, 2, 3 are already uploaded in the drive. Go through all the exercises for your test. Alright, anything I will update in the group. Take care.